Hey, how did my hand get in there? Hey everybody, Dave Williamson, Toy Car Collector here, and I have got the most unusual batch of Hot Wheels that I've ever bought. I've got a box over here, right there. This box weighs 10 pounds and 11 ounces, and it really only has one kind of car in it. Oh, I gotta answer the phone. All right, everybody, I am back at the office, and it is time to dig into this 10-pound, 11-ounce box. Holy smokes, unless there's a bunch of rocks in there, there is 10 pounds, 11 ounces of Hot Wheels. And it's not just Hot Wheels, it is only Hot Wheels, and it is only 3 different cars, mostly one of the same. And let's find out what in the heck could possibly be 10 ounces, 10 pounds, 11 ounces of Hot Wheels. Let's look. All right, these come to me from a guy that sold me a bunch of blister packs years ago. And then he called me up last week and said, hey, I want to sell you something. And I've got this. Oh my, look at that. These are Boss Hoss Mustangs. Holy smokes. I don't know how many of these I'm going to be able to get out and show you, but let's put some on the table. Oh, look at that. Looks like a nice one. I know everybody's going to want a Boss Hoss, right? Boss Hoss, Boss Hoss, Boss Hoss. Oh my gosh. I'll get out a couple dozen of these. I can't get them all out. Oh, some of them are not even in the package. Look at that. That looks nice. Oh my gosh. I have never, ever, well, the last time I ever bought something that was this much the same was I bought some splitting images one time. I think it was about 50 blisters of blue splitting images. And, you know, back in those days, they didn't cost a whole lot. You know, I mean, not like $400 a piece, but I think they might have been 75 bucks a piece or 50 bucks a piece. And I think I took all the wheels off them. I think I used the wheels for something else. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these. There should be like every possible kind of condition in this box. But look how deep it goes. They just keep going. Probably the worst one's on the bottom. But let's get them all out. I've got to get them all out. I guess I'm going to spare you the rest of these, but let me get them out and I'll be right back. All right, I got them all out on the table. Look at this. Look at this. I believe they are almost all Boss Hoss Mustangs. And you know, I just thought of something really cool. What if I can get like a set of 9 put together? Would that look cool? Like all 9 numbers, you know, like 1 through 9. All right, look at that. This one's got fake numbers on it. Of course, now I'm gonna have to go through all of them. And the things to look out for are fake numbers, fake stripes, missing stripes, and you get a lot of them with bent posts on the sides there. So we're going to find that out here in a bit. Let's go ahead and dig into some of them and see conditions. That's the most important thing, of course. You know that. Okay, let's dig into some of these. Now, one thing somebody asked me actually, I think it was this morning, I told them I was getting 100 Boss Hosses, and they said, oh, save me a mint one. And I was like, you know what? Even with 100 Boss Hosses, the chances of getting a mint one, I'm going to assume are pretty slim, This one, look at this car. This is a really nice car. It's dirty. It's got sticker residue. It's got decals on it. But, you know, this one will clean up real nice. Probably be, you know, basically what you look for condition-wise is to find out if there's any chrome has come off. It looks like there's a tiny bit of chrome come off right there. A little chipped off. And then the motor dullness, because the chrome holds up super well. So if you look for scratched windows, yeah, this one's going to be dusty. Hey, a lot of these are going to need to be cleaned. Oh, and then you got your fake numbers. Those are pretty obvious, and you can see the residue from the originals. Here's another issue that you run into is pitting. You can get pitting on the chrome. Otherwise, this car looks pretty nice. And then I got to check all of those. Now that doesn't matter so much today. I just have to make sure these are reasonably good condition so I can get the seller paid. And I'm assuming that the typical condition is going to be about like this. Here we got a little spot of chrome off on the front there. Nope, that's just plastic. Never mind. That one's got one original sticker on it. Pretty decent wheels. Now they're all, are they all hubs or caps? What are they, do you suppose? Look at that. All hubs. Decent condition, nothing wrong with that. Decent condition, not mint. Like I say, I really doubt if there's going to be any mint ones in here. There might be some nice ones. Look at this one's got numbers still on it, mostly. Decent. Decent. Alright. Look at that. As long as there's not too many bent or broken ones, it'll be alright. You know, and I've always wondered, you know, whether I should put numbers on cars that are missing numbers, but usually they don't sell too well if they don't have numbers on them. This one's got some decals for model kits. Yeah, this one's got a few issues to it, but the posts are good, the motor's good, a little loose there, got a little dirt on it. That's not awful, it's not great, it's a cap wheels. Cap wheels versus hub wheels. Alright, got a white interior. Is that the first one? Yeah, that's the first white interior. Decent. I think we'll put the white interiors over here. White interiors scarcer than dark interior. Here's another dark. Yeah, these are all right. These are all right. They're dusty, but I don't expect there to be any mint ones. Besides, the guy obviously loves Boss Hosses, so if there was a mint Boss Hoss, he'd probably keep it for himself. Wouldn't you suspect? I don't think there is such a thing as a person to sell everything they love. Here's the roughest one so far. Wheels are pretty worn. Chrome's good. And it'll wipe off nice. How about this one? Oh, this one's got white interior. It's got, I think the wheels might have been painted in a little bit. No, that looks pretty good. Might have been swapped. It's pretty good shape actually. At 8 it's worn off. Probably just put a new one over the top of that. Is that chrome off there? Yeah, a little chrome pit there. But white interior, look at that. We got, oh, thought we had 3. No, we got 2. Whoa. 2. Oh, actually, you can't hardly see anything, right? Can you? Right there. All right, they're falling out all over the place. So far is about what I expected. All right, here's a good one. This one's pretty good right here. That'll wipe off nice. Yeah, that one's real nice. That's the nicest one so far. Right there. Nicest one so far. All right. Another brown interior. Decent. Very decent. Yeah, very decent. Average condition, which is just fine. I can use these. Oh, here's the worst one so far. That one's pretty beat. You know what's really good about these is you can paint them up in, oh, look at this King Cuda. Yeah, there's one King Cuda there. There you go. King Cuda. Halfway decent shape. I don't know what the heck's going on in there. There's some black stuff in there. Tape or something. Probably holding the motor in. Good suspension, so that's cool. Yeah, King Cuda. Very good. We need some King Cudas around here. King Cudas. Look like I'm going to have my... Oh, see, here's a bad one. Here's a bad one. Got a bent window post right there. That happens a lot. I've seen quite a bit of that on Boss Hosses. So we got the junker there. One junker. That'd probably be a handful in here. King Cuda. Not too bad. White interior. Nice. King Cuda. Boss Hoss. Alright. Decent. Decent. Look at that. Oh, man. Brown ones are more frequent than white interior ones. Yeah, all these need a little cleanup. They all need a little cleanup. I don't mind. White interior. Nice chrome. This one needs a wheel swap. Actually, this one's, yeah, it's not too bad. My phone's about to fall off. Oh! About to fall off the desk. Looks like he bought a bunch of them from some vendor. $3.75. Or maybe that's from something else. Just checking them all. Decent, decent. It's gonna be nice. My camera is having trouble recording. Oh, this one's got a nice motor on it. Pretty shiny around the bottoms. Not on the top. You can polish that top off a little bit if you absolutely necessary. White interior. No stripes of any kind on this one. Terrible wheels. That one would look good, you know, with some new stripes and a set of fake wheels. That'd be hunky-dory. I don't know. What do you think? Should a person do something like that? I think if it's for your own collection, sure. Here's another one. Nothing on it. Naked. Naked. All right. Naked. Oh, look at this one. Fake numbers. Yeah. Fake numbers. Fake stripes. And dirty. Yeah, you dirty dog. You dirty dog. Oh my gosh. There is a brown interior. Actually pretty decent. That's got originals on it. Originals. I think this is kind of funny. I really do. I think it's kind of funny. This one's got nice wheels. And halfway decent stickers on it. That's actually pretty darn nice, actually. Just a little dusty. I'll just wipe that one off a little bit. That one's pretty good. We'll put that one up there. It's pretty good. Have we got all the numbers yet? No, we don't have too many numbers. There's a King Cuda. King Cuda. No stripes on it, but man, look at that polish. I think somebody might have polished that one. No, that one is just super bright. That one is super bright. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's a nice one. King Cuda. King Cuda is supposed to have stripes on it. It doesn't have stripes, but it is shiny. So shiny. It's amazing. Probably should just take all the stripes off this one and just let it shine. That's a good one. What fell? What fell? Oh my gosh. I didn't even think I could open all these. All right. Oh, this one's good. This one's really nice. Yeah, that one's nice. That one's really nice. This is the nicest one so far. I got a club kit. This one needs to go in. Definitely needs to go in my club kit. King Cuda, nothing on it. Dusty bugger. Terrible wheels. Caps. Good suspension though. It's okay. This one definitely needs replacement wheels. Kind of rough shape. I'm not gonna mess with that though. That's not my deal. Heavy Chevy. No numbers on the side, but this one's gonna clean up nice. Yeah, I got just a little wear on that. Motor's not too shiny, but the wheels are nice. Throw on a couple of side numbers and call that one a good one. All right, Boss Hoss. Boss Hoss, rough, rough. Boss Hoss, rough, rough. Oh my goodness, that video ended rather abruptly. Yep, I totally ran out of space on my phone. Had to go get all that video off my phone. Bunch of pictures and things. Now it's the next day, fast forward, and I have cleaned up the dirt and grime off of all of these cars. This little black area engine collects so much dirt over the years. And they got to get that cleaned up and get the dust off, clean the windshields. And I took a look at all the cars, and about half of them are in the excellent to near mint range, give or take a few adjustments. About half of them are in the good to excellent range. And then over this case over here are ones I've already taken a look at and rated and priced, and are getting ready to add these onto the website today. So there's actually 99 total of these cars. How many of each were there? Let me take a look. All right, so there were 14 King Cudas, 10 heavy Chevys, and that means 75 Boss Hoss. And I didn't find, let's see, what did I find that was interesting? One of the Boss Hosses had everything cleaned off of it, and it's all polished up, and it looks like it might have even been off the base. Now there's this full on the other side, almost full on the other side over here. And then there's a lot of, there was nothing mint in the entire collection, of course. The fellow that collected these up was just trying to get as many of them as he could, obviously. And he did do that. And there's not too many white interiors. I think there's 12 white interiors. And on the Boss Hoss. And a couple on the King Kuda. Let's take a look here. Here's the King Kudas. Let's see, 8 of them. 1 has a white interior. 4 heavy Chevys. 1 has a white interior. 1 each more in the the excellent range. The Boss Hoss, I think there may be like 10 out of 75 with a white interior. And then over here, these are the ones that I've prepared for selling on the website today. And there's not many, if any, white interiors. A couple need wheels because they were just real bad. And it's funny how some of them, it ranges everywhere from like damaged. This one's got a melted window. That's probably the worst one. And then there's a few with the cracks and the hubs and things there. Not too many of those really, maybe 5, 6. Not too bad really overall. I did have, well, I take that back. I've got 1 heavy Chevy here that I've rated as mint minus. And I think maybe 1 King Kuda. Now they've maxed out at near mint, but it's a pretty neat deal. I just, normally I wouldn't buy something this crazy, but yeah, it was crazy, so I went for it. So that's all for this video about Boss Hoss. Boss Hoss club cars, heavy Chevy club cars, King Kuda club cars. Oh man, you gotta love them. I love them. You do too. Thanks for watching my video. Be sure to check out some of my other videos. I have like 900 videos. It's crazy. It's crazy. All right, Hot Wheels collecting is just super cool. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.